Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Kia Rio. It's right here behind me. Why don't we take a look? Starting right away up front. And then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. We're going to take a look inside at the cloth interior. Seats are very clean. There's no rips or tears on any of the seats. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. This is the GDI. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have audio and cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Kia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.